Welcome back to Bani Exports. Republic Day is here and we are back with a massive sale, and this time we are bringing to you beautiful stuff from Indiana brand, Styly brand, and also Avas. I'll be showing you the small and the extra small sizes which will even fit for M sizes. I'll be showing you the western dresses as well as the kurtas that are on sale. This is very limited stock item we have received after several months, this item, and very limited stocks we have received. In case you're a wholesale customer or you're looking into buy for retail, pricing is just $5.99 per dress or kurta. You can buy this from us just by pinging us on the number and sending us the screenshot. I'll be showing you all the dresses one by one. So this is the first dress that is available. This is from Styly brand. This is a big brand item, guys, and the MRP of this one is 1599. This is a beautiful dress. It is coming with this elastic, beautiful Styly dress in extra small size. You're getting it for only $5.99, which is just 1/3 of the price. Next one is this small frock which is available. This will fit a extra small size. The MRP of this one is 1000 rupees. This also you're getting for the same price. This is a third dress. This is very pretty Styly brand dress. MRP is 3299. Full lining is there inside, full sleeves are there. Sleeves will also come like this, full long length dress like this, and this is also available for the same. Next one is this beautiful dress. Look at this beautiful party wear dress. This is available in small size. This will fit even a large size person. This is the next one. This is a very pretty dress. This will come like this, and it has got a belt which you can tie in the front or at the back. You can tie it at the back. This is a short dress, a western short dress, available in small size. Next one is this one. This is again a high brand item. This is again available in S size. This is this one. This is a very pretty dress. Look at this beautiful dress. This has slit. This can also be worn like a kurti, a short style long dress with this kind of sleeves, again available for 2299 MRP. This also you're getting for the same price. Look at this beautiful party wear dress from Styly brand. It has got a deep v-neck at the back. MRP of this one is 1349, and this also you're getting for the same price. Next one is this beautiful shrug that you are getting, a beautiful satin shrug. This is a single piece that we have, and this is also available for the same. We have is this beautiful dress, a short dress which is available with this kind of belt. A beautiful short dress from MRP is 1999. I'll show you the neck of this. This is the neck of the dress, and this is also available for the same price. The next one, this is a long, very pretty. You can wear it like a kurta or dress. This is also available in the small. We have is this beautiful party wear dress. This will even fit a M size person. This will go like this. This is again from the same brand. 2999 is the MRP, and this also you're getting for the same price. This is a very pretty denim dress. This is coming with a back elastic like this. MRP is 2300, and this is also available for the same price. In case you're a wholesale customer and looking to buy in wholesale for your store, you can contact us. Minimum order quantity has to be 30 pieces, and there will be a little price variation. These are already on completely wholesale prices that we are giving to the retail customer. Okay, this is next dress. This is a pretty long dress. This is coming with a beautiful belt like this. This is again available in this kind of flared pattern. This is available in small size. Next we have is this pretty beautiful satin dress. This has beautiful fitting because of the pattern which has been given. These hands are given. This is all big brand item. These are not local item. These are not Mumbai item. These are all branded items which you are getting for this pricing. And we have got very limited stock. Whatever we are showing you in the video, we have only that number of stock. It's all hand-picked items. So minimal quantity we have got, and excellent pieces we are getting. All what we are showing you in this video are small sizes which can fit even a M size. So this is the next one. This is a kurti section that we are showing. This is a beautiful kurti. This is from Indiana brand. Everything is coming with the tags. You can see everything we are giving you with the tags. It's very easy for you to sell at double the price because the MRPs are very high for these items. And see, look at this beautiful dress. This is again available in S size but will fit to M also. This is the next one, a beautiful kurta which is again available in S size. This is next one. This is again a beautiful kurta which can even be worn like a Indo-Western dress. This is the next one. This is again beautiful dress. This is the next one which we have. This is a sleeveless dress. Sleeves will be there inside. Okay, next what we have is this beautiful silver color kurta. Next is this one. This is again, all you have to do is just keep on taking the screenshot. This is limited stock item, guys. We will finish this stock within 1 or 2 days. In morning also posted status message saying that this stock has arrived. So grab the pieces soon, because this is not restocking anytime soon. So this is next one that we have. All what we are showing you, again I'm repeating, is next is this one, a beautiful long dress. This MRP is 1799. See, for people who are selling also, it is very easy. Everything is super branded. It comes with the code. You can scan the code, see the item online. These are, again I'm repeating, we only sell authentic branded items. We don't sell any duplicate copies. Look at this beautiful party wear dress. See, this you're getting just for 599. MRP is 3400. Beautiful dress it is. It's a jumpsuit which is coming with a beautiful belt like this, and this is again available in S size. Next is this one, a beautiful dress which is S size, which will even fit a M size also. These are branded dresses, guys. These are little on a higher side when it comes to sizes. So look at this one, 1999 MRP. Extra small will fit to small and medium also. Next is this one. This is extra small size dress. This is again a very pretty Indo-Western dress. Lot of pieces I've shown you in this video, so it's very easy for you to pick up. Shipping will be extra. Delivery is possible across India. We are delivering limited stock item, and offer is valid only for today and tomorrow. We have bought this stuff specially for this Republic Day, and these pieces were available in small and medium. All you have to do is just take screenshot and send it back to us on the number flashing on the screen. That's 861-816-1581. You have to pick minimum 3 pieces to grab this offer. Thank you.